Good morning children. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn problems on subtraction. Today we are going to learn problems on subtraction. Look at the board. Here see, this is 468 minus 215. Always while we are doing subtraction, always we have to write the bigger number on the top of the smaller number. Bigger number we have to write on the top of the smaller number. Okay. Now see here, what are the places are given? Ones, tens, hundreds. It is a 3-digit number. We are doing subtraction of 3-digit number. So what are the places for 3-digit number? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Always while we are doing subtraction, we have to write the greater number top of the smaller number. Greater number we have to write the top of the smaller number. Okay children, see. Now we have to doing addition, either subtraction, whatever it may be. We have to start from its ones place too. Either addition or subtraction, we have to start from its ones place. Here from ones place to we have to start. We have to take, what is the up number here? 8. We have to take the 8 fingers. First we have to take 8 fingers. We have to take 8 fingers. What is the down number? 5. Up number we have to take the fingers. Down number what is there? That many fingers we have to close. Now here top number is 8. So we have to take 8 fingers. What is the down number? 5. The down number is 5. So we have to close 5 fingers from this 8. Shall we start to close? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We close 5. How many are remaining in our hand? Yes, 1, 2, 3 are remaining. So we have to write the answer here 3. Next one here, up number 6. Take 6 fingers. Up number 6 we have to take 6 fingers. What is the down number there? Bottom of the 6, what is here? 1. So we have to close 1 finger. Shall we close 1? Yes, close. Remaining how many is there? Yes, these many. How many fingers are these? Yes, 5 fingers. So the answer is 5. Okay, next one. Next number is 4. So we have to take 4 fingers. What is the next number? 2. We have to close 2. 1, 2. So remaining how many is here? 1, 2. Understand children? Next one. Same. What is the top number here? 3. So take 3 fingers. What is the down number? Bottom number? 2. So we have to close 2 fingers. 1, 2. What is there? 1 more will be left. So we have to write here 1. Same 8 minus 5. Easily you know. 8 minus 5. 3. 6 minus 4. Take 6 fingers, close 4. Remaining 2. Next one here. Here top number what ma? Yes, 5. We have to take 5 fingers. Down number what here? 6. Shall we close 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top number only 5. Down number is bigger than the top number. Yes. This bottom number is bigger than the up number. So what we have to do there that time? We have to take the borrow. We have to take the borrow from before place. Here it is ones place, it is tens place, it is hundreds place. Each place to each place, how many times it is increased? 10 times. 10 times it is increased. That means 10 ones is equal to 110 no ma? 10 ones is equal to 110. So we have to take, when we take from here to here the borrow, it will come 10. How it will come? 110 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. 10 ones is equal to 110. That means when we take from tens to ones place, this here one number it transferred to ones place, it becomes 10. Why it becomes 10? 110 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. 110 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. So from here to here we take the borrow. Here when we gave borrow, 1 we gave the borrow. Remaining how much here? 0. When we take here how much we get? 10 we will get. We will get 10. Right here 10 mark. Now, while you are doing this one, you do subtraction from this 10 to this 6. It is easy for you. This 10 to first do this number subtraction. 10 minus 6 how much? 10 minus 6 easily you know. 10 minus 6 4. 10 fingers 6 plus 4. When you subtraction this number to this number after, you have to do addition. 4 plus 5 9. 4 plus 5 how much we will get? 9. Understand children? We can do like that. How? We take borrow from here to here. It will come 10. From this 10 to this 6 do subtraction 4. Again add 4 to this 5. 4 plus 5 9. Understand? Like that we can do. Another one is, see here 0, here 9. Is it possible to do the subtraction? No. Same we have to take the borrow from the before place. It is tens place, it is hundreds place. How many hundreds? How many takes make? Tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. So, while we are borrowing from here to here, here also we will get 10 only. Okay. So, when we give to here, it will become 2. And we are giving 10. 10 plus 0, 10 only. 10. Now, 10 fingers we can take, 9 we have to close. Easy for you. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Here 0 number, 1 plus 0 easily 0. Next. Here take 2 fingers, down 1, close 1. 2 minus 1, 1. This is 1. Next here, say next. Here up number is 3. Take 3 fingers. Down number 5. We have to close 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 only is there. Is it possible to do? No. So we have to take the borrow from the before place too. But here 0 is there. What we have to do? Yes. We have to, here 0 time. Here is not possible to take. So we are taking from here too. We are taking from here too. So when we take from here to here 5 and this 0 becomes 10. We are taking hundreds place to tens number. So 10 we are getting. 10 tens are 100. So 10 here. Again we have to take here. When we give to here, this 10 becomes 1 we remove. 10 minus 1, 9. This 10 becomes 9. This 3 becomes, we are adding 10 no? 10 plus 3, 13. This is one model I explained. This is another model now. 10 taking and from 10 to we are doing subtraction and that number to add to this. That is one model. Another one is directly 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, we get 13. Down number what is here? 5. Now up to 13 we have to count. 13 fingers not there in our hand. Only 10 fingers are there. So that time, what is the number here? 5. Close all the fingers. What is here? 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Up to 13 number we have to open our fingers. Now how many fingers shall we open? 8 fingers. So the answer is 8. This is one more model ma'am. 10 right 10. Doing this number subtraction. After getting that number we have to add 5. That is 1. Here directly 10 plus 3, 13 right 10. We are taking borrow from tens place to ones place. When we take borrow, it will become 10. Why? We are taking the borrow from tens place to tens place number. One we take 110 is equal to how many ones? Sorry, 110 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. 10 ones. 110 is equal to 10 ones. So 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Down number 5 after we have to start up to 13 numbers. How many fingers shall we open? 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 fingers. So the answer is 8. Next, here up number is 9. Down number also 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9. Shall we take 9 fingers? And shall we have to close 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shall we close all the fingers? Is there any fingers are remained? No. So then what is the answer? 0. Next here, up number is 5. Take 5 fingers. Down number 2. We have to close 2. 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Next one. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Up to thousands places are there. Each place multiplied by 10. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. That's why when we are taking the borrow to each place, we are getting 10. Here tens place 2 we are taking borrow. This 110 is equal to in the ones place how many times it equals? 10 ones. So 10. 100 we are taking borrow. But how much we are getting? 10 10. So like that we are writing 10. Why we are writing 10 means each place it should multiply with the 10. 10 times. It increases 10 times. So here from top number 8 here. 8 minus 0. Easily we know. We can subtract any number. We can subtract 0 from any number. What we are getting? The number itself. So 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 0, 8. Next one. Here same. 7 minus 1. Take 7 fingers and close 1. How much we are getting? 6. Next 6 minus 3. Take 6 fingers and close 3. How much you will get? 3. Here 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 4. Okay, next 4 minus 4. A number is subtract by itself. The difference is 0. A number is subtract by itself. The difference is 0. Here 4 minus 4. 0. Okay, next one. Here 1 minus 8. Is it possible to do subtraction from 1 to 8? No. Then what we have to do? We have to take the borrow. We have to take borrow from which place to? Hundreds place to we have to take the borrow. It is tens place, it is hundreds place. So 100 when it comes to tens place, how it becomes? 10 tens. 10 tens. So here write it 2. Here this one 10 we are getting here, no? 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Now up to 8 after up to 11. How many fingers? How many we are getting? 8 after 9. Sorry, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, 8 after we have to count. 8 after 9, 10, 11. How many fingers we get? 3. So we have to write here 3. Next 2 here. Here 2 is there. We can do subtract from 2 to 6. No. Why? 2 is the smaller to 6. So we can't subtract from 2 to 6. So what we have to do? We have to take the borrow. Same here it is what place? Hundreds place. It is thousands place. 1000 is equal to how many hundreds? 10 hundreds. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. So this 9 becomes 8. We have to write here 2. 10 plus 2. 10 we are getting no 10 plus 2. 12. Next here 6 after. We have to count 6 after. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how many fingers are there? 6. So here 6. Next this one you know is normal. 8 minus 2. 6. Okay, next one. 1, 8. Here which is the small number, big number? 8 is the big number. The big number of small number is there. We can do subtraction? No, is it not possible here? Then what we have to do? We have to take the borrow from the before number. Here before number what is? 0. Here 0 is there. Then we have to take before number to borrow. Here also 0. So next we have to take from here to. Okay, from here to we have to take mark. Here it is thousands place. Thousands place to first hundreds place. So here it is when we are giving one here 5. When we are giving here to here it becomes 10. 10 plus 0 10. Next we are taking borrowed to here. Again this 10 to 1 given means it will become here 9. Hundreds plus to tens plus 10. 100 is equal 10 tens. So 10. 10 plus 0 10 again. Again we have to borrow. We have to take from here to here. So here 10 minus 1 9. 1 10 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. So 10 plus 1 11. Now 11 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 3. Here 9 minus 5, 4. Here 9 minus 4, 5. Here 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, next one. 0 minus 0. The number itself, 0. Same here 1, 8. Here 0. Here 9. So we have take from bar to this number to number. So here it is 8. When we are giving to here hundreds to thousands to hundreds, 10 plus 0, 10. Again we are giving here to here 9, here 10 plus 1, 11. Now 11 minus 8, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. Children, next one is here. We have to take always subtraction from ones place to. Yes, we have to start from here to. 4 minus 5. Is it possible to do the subtraction? What is the smaller number? Here up number is 4, down number 5. Okay, we have to take the borrow. So when we take borrow from here to here, it is 5. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5, how much ma? Count 5 after up to 14. 5 after up to 14, how much will get? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers we get? 9. So the answer is 9. Next here 5, 6. Is it possible to do the subtraction? No. So we have to take the borrow. When we take the borrow from here to it is 5. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 15 minus 6, 9. You know the process how to do. Okay children, next. 5, 0, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. Same next one. 3 minus 2. It is a 5-digit number subtraction. It is 6-digit number subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 7, 1. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Next one here. It is also 5-digit number subtraction. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. Here 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is possible? No. Then we have to take the borrow. It is 4 here. It is 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 6. So 6 after up to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers? 6. So the answer is 6. 4 minus 3, 1. Next one. It is also 6-digit number subtraction. Here 1, 3. 1, 3 is possible to do the subtraction? No. So we have to take the borrow. We have to take from here to here. Here it is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. We are taking here 2. When it is coming here, it is coming 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total how many fingers ma? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total how many fingers we get? 8. So answer is 8 here. Here 1 minus 2, is it possible? No, we have to take the borrow. So here it is 4. Here 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2. 2 after 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much we get? 9. So we have to write here 9. Next 4 minus 1, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. Next here. 3 minus 3, it is how many digits here? 7 digits. So it is a 7-digit subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. Here 2 minus 6 possible? No. So we have to take the borrow. Then here it is 8. Here it is 10 plus 2, 12. Always each place, one place to one place, it increases 10 times. So we have to take 10 only. It is how many digit number also? We will get 10 only. How? It is 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Okay, ma'am. 10 lakhs is equal to 10 lakhs is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is equal to 10 lakhs. So we are getting 10. 1 lakh is equal to 10 thousands. 10 thousands is equal to 1 lakh. That's why 12 minus 6, 6. 8 minus 7, 1. Same here. Next, it is an 8 digit number. It is here 8 digit number, here it is 7 digit number. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 minus 3 not possible. We have to take the borrow. From 0 to not possible, here 2. So from first 1000 space to 100 space. So here it is 2. Here it is 10. Again 100 space to 10 space. This 10 minus 1, 9. 1 we are taking 110. 100 is equal to, when we are going to 10 place, it is 10. So 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers we get? 9 fingers. So the answer is 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 2, 3 possible? No. We have to take borrow here 2. Then here 3, this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers we get? 7. So we have right here 7. Again 3, 7 possible? No. Take borrow. Here it is 8. When we are getting here 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Again 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers? 6 fingers. So the answer is here 6. 8 minus 9 possible? No. We have to take borrow. Again here 1. Here 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 8, 18. Now 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many fingers we get, ma? Yes, 9 fingers we get. So the answer is here 9. Again 1, 5, is it possible to do the subtraction? No. Take borrow from here to 7 becomes 6. This one become 11. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers we get? 6. So the answer is 6 here. Here any number not there, we have tried that 6 as this. Subtract. We have to do the subtract. 10,823 from 27,501. Subtract this number from this. We have to subtract this number from this number too. So first we have to write the which number? This number we have to write. From 10,823 to 23 we have to subtract from 27,501. First we have to check the place values, ma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So here the first place is 10,000. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Here also first place is 10,000. So first we have to write this number. 27,501. That one down. 10,823. Okay, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. 1 minus 3. Here 1 minus 3 is possible? No. What we have to do? It is not possible. We have to borrow. Here 0. So we have to take from here to 4. Here it is 10. Again here to here no. 1 we are giving. So here it is 9. 10 plus 1, 11. Before we learn the same problems. Okay. 11 minus 3, 8. Next, 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 8 not possible. We have to take the borrow. Here it is 6. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Here it is 6. 2 minus 1, 1. Next one. 2,079 from 13,477. Subtract 2,079. We have to subtract this number. This number we have to subtract from which two? This number 2. So we have to write here also place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here first number is started from thousands place. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So here first number it is 10,000. So first 13,477. It is started from 10,000 place number, but this number is started from 1,000 place. In this, what is the thousands place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we have to write the next number from here to 2079. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 9, is it possible? No. So we have to take the borrow from here to here. Then here it is 6. Here we are getting 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 9, 8. Here 6 minus 7 possible? No. So we have to take the borrow. So here it is 3. Here it is 6. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 minus 7, 9. Next here 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Here also 1 it is. Next one, 48,027 from 5,26,301. Always we have to write subtract 48,027 from 5,26,301. So we have to check the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It is 10,000. Here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakhs. It is lakhs place. So, but first we have to write this number. Why? We have to subtract this number from this one. So we have to write first this one. 5,26,301. Next we have to write it is 1,000, 10,000 place to this number start. Here what is the 10,000 place here number? So that there too we have to start writing that number. 48,027. So what we have to do here also? Yes, we have to do the subtraction. Already everybody know how to do the subtractions. Yes, children? Okay. 1 minus 7, is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to take the borrow. But before number what is here? 0. We can take from here too? No. So what we have to do? We have to take from before number 2. So here we have to take, then it becomes 2. Here it is 10. Here too we have to take it is, here it is 9. Here it is 10 plus 1, 11. Now 11 minus 7, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. Here it is 2 minus 0, 2. 6. 6 minus 8 possible? No. So we have to take the borrow. Then it becomes, here it is 1. This 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 1 minus 4 possible? No. So what we have to do? Take borrow. Here it is 4. This it is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 4, 7. Here it is 4. Next one. Subtract 12,74,595 from 46,51,820. Here what is the place values? Shall we check, ma? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Here first place 10 lakhs. Here it is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Here also it is first place 10 lakhs. So first we have to write this one. 46 crore lakh 51,820. This one down we have to write this one. Same 12 lakh, 10 lakhs plus 1, 12 lakhs 74,595. Okay. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the subtraction. Here 0, 5 possible? No, we have to take the borrow. Here it is 1. Here it is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 1 minus 9 possible? No, we have to take the borrow. Here it is 7. This 1 becomes 11. 10 plus 1 number? 11. 11 minus 9, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Next, here 1 minus 4 possible? No. We have to take borrow. Here it is 4. When we take borrow, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 4, 7. Next here 4. 4 minus 7 possible? No. We have to take borrow. Same. 5. This 4 become 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Next one. Here it is same. Subtract this number from this two. We have to check the place values now. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs. It is 10 lakhs. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs crore. It is crores. But always we have to write first this number only, no? So 1 crore, 32 lakh, 3,291. It is started from 10 lakhs. So it is 10 lakhs first. So 21 lakh, 53,852. Now we have to do the subtraction. Here 1 minus 2 not possible, no? We have to take the borrow. Here it is 8. This here we are getting 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 8 minus 5, 3. Next 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 not possible. We have to take the borrow. Here it is 2. This 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Here 2 minus 3 not possible. We have to take borrow. But here 0. So here 1. Here 10. Here 9. We are taking from here to here again. So 9 here. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. This one as it is. Understand, children, everybody? Okay, thank you.